Hey guys, I'm Avail back again with another video on this iPhone 12. I've been using this device for some time now and it is running on iOS 15. And I've come across some really interesting feature that I'm going to talk about in this video. So if you are planning to buy this device iPhone 12 or if you want to know about iOS, then this video is for you. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos, and if you've already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started. First of all, let's start with the back tap feature, which is really useful and practical, I would say. What you can do, simply you can double tap or triple tap on the back like this, and you can open certain app or you can perform certain actions as well. Suppose you can see that when I tapped, the camera is launched. Yeah, so you can assign other tasks as well. Okay, now let me show you this again. Simply tap twice like this and your camera app will be opened. Now you can assign other things as well. Let me show you this, how you can set it up. Simply, first of all, from the beginning. First of all, you go to settings. Okay, let me show you this here, and then accessibility. There you have this option touch, and here scroll down at the bottom you will find this back tap. Okay, now you have two options. You can use double tap or triple tap. Suppose I'm using double tap. Now I showed you that I was using camera. Now let's use other actions. Now you have to create shortcuts for that. Suppose I have created YouTube. Now if I select YouTube and double tap like this, the YouTube app will be launched. Okay, so isn't it cool? What do you think about it? And I found that this is really practical and useful. Next is how you can hide photos or videos using hidden folder. For this, you simply go to photos and then select the photos or videos that you would like to hide. Suppose I have selected these, then simply tap on share and scroll down. Here you will find this option hide. Okay, and hide. Now these photos or videos have been moved to this folder. If you see here, hidden. But the thing is that this folder is available here, right? If you want to hide it completely, this folder as well, for that what you have to do, simply go to settings, then photos, yeah, and there you have this option, hidden album. Simply turn this off. Now under the album category, that folder is not there under utilities. So this can be done, and you can simply turn on that and you can recover the photos as well, or you can watch them in that folder as well. So what do you think about it? The next one is guided access, and this can be really handy if you have kids at home and when you hand them over the phone and you want them to access only one particular app. This can be really useful in that case. Now how you can do it, simply go to settings and then accessibility, and then you have this option guided access. Simply turn this on. Okay, now how does it work? Let me show you. Suppose my kid wants to watch YouTube videos. Suppose that app is on. Okay, this one. Now I want to restrict the access. Okay, so in that case what I have to do, simply tap this, click this power button twice like this. Okay, and start, and then enter your password, verify. Okay, that's done. Now you can see that it has started. Now the kid will not be able to close this app or switch between other apps. Okay, so that is really useful. You can see that nothing can be done like this. Okay, even cannot be minimized. So this is really useful if you want to restrict access to particular apps. Okay, and you want to save certain things like from others. Yeah, so to deactivate it, simply click it thrice again and then enter the password. Done. End it. So what do you think about it? Next thing is drag and drop. Yes, iPhones do support this now. Now suppose if I want to move this photo here, this one, simply I can drag it like this, and if I want to go to Notes app and create a new note and drop it here, that's it. It's very simple. This can be really handy if you would like to use the Files app. Let me show you this. Suppose here, and then suppose browse on my phone. If I want to move this thing, okay, simply drag it like this, browse my phone here, and suppose here, and drop it like this. So this can be really handy. What do you say? Now the next one is a really simple trick to close all the tabs at once on Safari. Now you can see that if you have multiple tabs opened, to close them you have to do it one by one like this, right? Which can be really annoying sometimes. Now you can do one thing to close them all in one go. What you have to do, simply tap and hold on this one, this icon here, and you can see that you have this option now, close all 5 tabs. So did you know this? Let me know in the comments. The next one is also a very simple trick, but it can be useful if you're in need. Suppose if you're watching your video and you have scrolled down a lot, right? Now, if you want to go up, what do you have to do? You have to go up like this again, right? But you have a shortcut that will take you to the home simply in one click. What do you have to do? Suppose I'm at the bottom now, okay? Simply tap on this time. Yeah, and it will take you to the home. Now this works on Safari as well. Let me show you this. Suppose I'm at the bottom of this page, simply click on time and it will take you to the home page. So this is also really useful, isn't it? Now the last feature that I'm going to share will be really useful if you're someone who listens to music a lot and you have to stop the music at a particular time. Then you can set the timer here. Now how does it work? You can use the default music app or Spotify, and you have to set timer here, clock, then simply go to timer and click here. At the bottom you have this stop playing. Now if you have Spotify, then you will have that option as well. Suppose I'm going to set 10 seconds so that I can show you live here. Now if I play music now, okay, let me show you this. Suppose I'm playing this one, okay. Now simply I have to start the timer there, and after 10 seconds the music will be stopped. Suppose it has started. So that's it. So what do you think? This one is also really helpful if you want to stop the music after a particular time, right? 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, whatever the timer that you will set, the music will be stopped automatically. So guys, these are some of the features or the tips and tricks I can say that I have come across while using this device, and I found them really useful. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. And if you already knew these things, then let me know in the comments. And if you have come across something which is really interesting, share in the comments and let me know. Okay, so till the next video guys, cheers. And if you end up liking my videos, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Cheers guys.